Welcome back to my channel. I'm HenKibou. As you guys notice, my intro video setting is different from the usual video that I usually post. That's because this video will focus only on color mixing, color experiment, or making new colors by mixing. As I promised in my previous video, I will make a new intro video that will fit the concept of this particular series. I will call this particular video Color Lab. This is where I use black or white or gray to mix the pure colors. The video that I call Color Lab will show you what happens if you mix the two colors or layer in certain way with the color pencil to make new colors out of pure colors. The Color Lab videos will focus on making tint, pastel, shade, tone colors by mixing the two color pencil into one. There's going to be two-part video. One video shows only the final product, and the second video will show all the process went through into the video. Please stay tuned for more videos like these. Subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more color experiment, the Color Lab. To make you guys easier to find on the YouTube page research, you could use the tag called HenKibou Color Lab or Kibou Color Lab just to find the similar videos. These are just the example for the Color Lab future videos. Just to give you guys the heads up of what will it look like in the Color Lab app. Thank you guys for watching the introduction of the new series. I hope you guys enjoy it and stay tuned for more next time. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you next time.